A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Let's go coloring. A is for apple. A is for ant. A is for antlers, on top of a deer. B is for ball. B is for bat. B is for banjo, it's loud and it's clear. C is for carrot. C is for car. C is for candle, with its flickering light. D is for duck. D is for door. D is for dreams, you have in the night. E is for elevator. E is for egg. E is for egg, the white and the yolk. F is for fish. F is for flag. F is so funny, when you tell a joke. G is for guitar. G is for glass. G is for games, you play every day. H is for hammer. H is for hat. H is for hair, and your grandpa's is gray. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Let's go coloring. I for Indian. I for igloo. I is for island, surrounded by sea. J for jam. J for juice. J is for jam, you eat with your tea. K for kangaroo. K for key. K for koala, he's cute and he's brown. L for ladder. L for leaf. L is for lamb, he's prancing around. M for monkey. M for mouse. M is for money, it's best if you save. N for nail. N for nose. N is for numbers, let's count some today. O for octopus. O for orange. O is for olive, it's green and it's black. P for paint. P for popcorn. P is for plates that you dry in a rack. Q for question. Q for queen. Q is for question when you don't know why. R for radio. R for rake. R is for rainbow you see in the sky. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R.
Farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in
S.
the dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho
T.
the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child,
U.
the wife takes the child. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child
V.
takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse.
W.
The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the nurse
X.
takes the cow. The cow takes the dog, the cow takes the dog. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog. The dog
C.
takes the cat, the dog
Let's
takes
go
the cat.
coloring.
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the dog
S for
takes the
saw.
cat. The cat takes the mouse.
S for snake.
The mouse. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cat
S is for
takes the
snacks,
mouse.
but don't eat too much. T for tree.
The mouse
T
takes
for
the
train.
cheese. The mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho
T is
the
for toes,
dairy-o,
they
the
tickle
mouse
when you
takes the
touch.
cheese. The cheese
U for
stands
umbrella.
alone. The cheese stands alone.
U for unicorn.
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands
U is for
alone.
uncle, he's thin as a
Hi-ho the
bean.
dairy-o, the cheese
V for
stands
vacuum.
alone.
V for violin. V is for vacuum, that keeps the house clean. W for whale. W for watch. W's for wishes, you make every day. X axe. X fox. X is for xylophone, play it today. Y for yo-yo. Y for yacht. Y is for you, now you know how it goes. C for zebra. C for zebra. C is for zipper, open and closed. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.